right, and now for something different here at Glory Pro. This is our first match this evening, not in the Crown of Glory Championship Tournament, and we have a 6-way tag rules match. Now it's every man for himself, but one fall will do the trick. So, if I was one of the 4 men outside of the ring, I would definitely want to try to tag in whenever at all possible. Ben Simon here ringside, along with the millennial, Danny Adams.
Ben Simon, I thought we needed a little help calling this 6-man chaos match. There's going to be a lot going on, and I know you can't handle it all yourself, little man.
It's tough for anyone to handle. And I was worried because I thought that all 6 guys were going to be legal at the same time. So I was very, very happy that it was tag rules flying here. 2 men in the ring at the time, so it's not completely impossible to call. But still, this is going to be one heck of a match. And to the winner goes the spoil, because the winner of this match will have the first championship opportunity. They will be the very first challenger for the Crown of Glory Championship on May 7th when Glory Pro returns right back here to the Spalding Club in Milton, Illinois. Davey Vega in there with Gary J right now with a cross arm breaker. This could end it right now with all 4 men on the outside looking like fools, unable to get in.
Gary's got to do something. He escapes. Ooh, he's got to watch out for that chop. Good escape by Vega. And a beautiful step up Rana. I do it a little better, but I love it when Vega does it as well.
Now, this appears like we're going under Lucha rules, and I'm looking at referee Toll's expression, and he's like, yep, it's all good.
That's right, Ben Simon. No tags necessary. Vega leaves the ring, somebody else can take his place. And here comes Space Monkey. Look at him. What an attraction.
Glorious. Absolutely glorious as a Space Monkey.
Listen to these people. They love the primate. I gotta say, Ben Simon, I like him too.
You know, I just heard about him landing back here on Earth fairly recently, and I said, well, I gotta go out to Alton and check out this Space Monkey that everyone is talking about. Amazing. He's just not human. Look at him with this banana in the ring.
He is literally not human, Ben Simon. Oh, and he... What a beautiful sidekick from Space Monkey. And a monkey flip! The irony isn't lost, Ben Simon.
Now look at this.
Pausing for a bit of a snack.
What does Jason have? Jason Roberts, what does he have?
It's Space Monkey's one weakness. The tension is palpable, Ben Simon.
He ate the banana. Space Monkey ate the banana.
And there was much rejoicing, but 1, 2, this could be it. What a smart play by Jason Roberts. But nobody is smarter than the Space Monkey. He's an astronaut, for crying out loud.
Oh, Fitchett finally connects.
What a kick.
Devastating front kick there.
Look at my Rico. Holy cow! Now, I can't do that, Ben Simon. I'll be honest.
I haven't seen you do that.
I'll be honest. Beautiful drop kick from Fitchett. It is one after the other. It's hard to keep up with all this action, Ben Simon. We're going to do our best. And inside Gary J again. And over the top onto Vega. Oh my goodness, it's going to get dangerous now.
I think you're right about that.
Fitchett's going to fly too. Oh, Myrie cuts him off. Teamwork being demonstrated by Ryan Reed. Jason Roberts, Fitchett escapes. Oh my! He got them both at the same time!
Matt Fitchett.
I can't even believe it.
That's a very
Now he's going to fly. I bet no one is going to cut him off. Oh, Space Monkey, where'd he come from? Fitchett just wants to dive. For crying out loud, just let him dive.
Space Monkey. Man. No one does a moonsault like the Space Monkey.
An intergalactic moonsault, Ben Simon.
Where is that Space Monkey from?
Not this galaxy.
He's from space.
Oh, a double Pele kick. Fitchett, go ahead. Do your worst. It's time. Are you kidding me? Poor guy. He just wants to get his dive in. Who can blame him?
Everyone wants to get their dives in.
Gary J got mine here.
Space Monkey!
I think all these
Mine, we
guys.
got mine here. Oh, something wild's gonna happen. Holy cow, my God! Hey, Zeus! Can you believe that, Ben Simon? Oh my God! This
Vega.
is too much!
Vega
This
catches
is
him
too much!
from the Hurricane Rana and runs him across the building.
Ben Simon, you've never seen anything like that. People at home, you've never seen anything like that.
There's no guardrails or anything here. I hope everyone is okay. My goodness, that was crazy.
That is the definition of six-man chaos. That's where it gets its name. What's Byron Reed got? Oh! This is too much! This is too much chaos!
Myron Reed risking life and limb, diving over the top with a flip onto his opponent. And the referee says, let's start over and get two guys in here.
Where else can they go? Is someone going through the roof? I'd like to see someone go through the roof, Ben Simon.
They're not too far from the roof.
Vega picks him up. Loads him up for something. Myron Reed counters. Vega underneath. Something's got to give here. Oh, no. Oh, my! Reverse Rana. That's got to be it. Thankfully, Gary J in to make the save.
And it is one fall, so Gary J needs to make that save. Everyone does. Reed up and over. Gary J. Nice chop.
A Gary J chop. It's too much. Oh, no. Oh! How unsafe can this match become? Oh! Oh my!
That unsafe.
You know what? I think it might get a little bit worse! Holy cow! What a double stomp to the back of Gary J's head. There's no way Gary J's getting back up from that.
Space Monkey.
Space Monkey, primate-based offense. He springs!
I think it connected with a chop or a headbutt there. Couldn't really tell. Space Monkey up on the shoulders, just like a monkey.
He's an animal, Ben Simon. We've established it.
This is tough for me to grasp.
Holy cow!
Up kick.
That was like a donkey kick, but can you really call it a donkey kick? The man's a monkey!
Yeah, I wouldn't call it a donkey kick. Oh, another Hurricane Rana. Fitchett,
Oh, he's
flying
out.
knee.
Space Monkey's got to be out. Fitchett picks up the win right here, too. No, and Jason Roberts breaks it up.
Danny, it's going to be incredibly difficult for anyone to get a cover in here with four other guys looking to break it up at all times.
This match might not ever end.
We will be here forever.
We will sit here forever watching six-man chaos.
They will all be lying there. Kind of like right now. All men are down. I think the rule with two men being legal at a time may be out the window right now.
All these men down. Someone's got to get to their feet first and make a big move. Well, they might all get to their feet. I don't know what's going to happen here, Ben Simon. But I bet it's going to be bananas. No pun intended. Well, pun intended.
I'll bank. Now we have a slugfest here.
Like some monkeys at the zoo.
Get together with your friends
Is
on
it
a
too
Friday
soon
night.
for a Harambe joke? I think so. One after the other. Somebody's got to go down. Somebody's got to go down. Woo! It's Jason. A tail whip of doom. Woo! Animal abuse. And everybody's down.
You know, if that tail wasn't attached to him, I'd say that was an illegal weapon.
But it is attached to him. We've established the man's a monkey.
Thank you. So we've determined that that is legal. All right. Brandon says that unbelievably, all of these guys can continue. The winner will be the first one-on-one challenger for the championship on May 7th. Well, we know
sportsmanship.
Fitchett and Vega have a very long history as one of St. Louis's most beloved tag teams. But when it comes down to every man for himself, something's got to give.
One of the best tag teams in the area. I can think of one better one, though, Ben Simon.
Touche, Danny Adams. Everyone has their opinion.
The tag team of the year, Ben Simon. Me and Pac.
I said one of, not the. One of.
Just making sure.
You're up there.
He's got something crazy in mind. Oh, my God! Whoa! Teamwork can only last so long. It's every man for himself. Gary J's gonna have none of it. Down goes Fitchett right on his head. Space Monkey's going to space. Oh! This has got to be it. Oh my God!
Oh, the man.
An intergalactic kick out from Gary J.
I can't believe the man kicked out of the monkey's pin. Uh-oh. Myron Reed has the tail. He has the tail. Headbutt there to the gut and a kick to the back of the head.
Space Monkey got flying. Holy cow! Spanish fly from Myron Reed. And that's gonna do it!
Myron Reed beat the monkey.
What a match, Ben Simon. That is six-man chaos, and that's what you can expect from Glory Pro every time six men are in the ring.
And now we know that on May 7th, long may we reign. That's the name of the card for Glory Pro Wrestling's return to Spalding Club in Alton, Illinois. And Myron Reed is already in line. We don't know who's at the front of the line yet. We're going to find out later today when we crown the very first champion. But they'll be looking at that man, Myron Reed, as the first challenger on May 7th.
May 7th, I challenge Jason Kincaid for the Crown of Glory Championship. Glory Pro's second show. And going into this match, I'm a huge underdog. But just like I did the very first show, I went in, not many people knew who I was. A lot of people were like, what's Hot Fire? But once I left, once I won, they knew exactly who Myron Reed was, and they knew why. I got all that hot fire.